Hello, I am A.L. Banson and welcome to Mastering the Game, where we are going to delve deep into the mindset of Cristiano Ronaldo. Now stick with me for the next 90 seconds and I'm going to show you how you can improve the quality of your life. Here's a quote from my book about Ronaldo. Don't let your gift die in the graveyard of doubt. Many gifts have been buried because people doubted themselves. Now in life, people will doubt you. Your parents may doubt you, your teachers may doubt you, people in your community may doubt you, your friends and colleagues may doubt you. That doesn't matter. But if you start doubting yourself, you will never develop your gift or your talent. People who have buried their gift in their talent, like the man who was given a talent and he decided to bury it, have died living a meaningless life. They lived in poverty, they were not fulfilled, they were not excited about life, some committed suicide and many other atrocities, all because they did not nurture their gift. Whatever your gift is, you must nurture it and develop it. Don't bury it through doubt. You must believe in yourself. You must trust that with time you can become great and commit yourself to developing your gift. Ronaldo determined from that young age to develop his gift and make something of it. That is why he has risen to the top. He was every day committed to nurturing his gift. You must also commit yourself to nurturing your gift. So let me know in the comments below what you are going to do to nurture your gift and let your gift take you to the top. Share this video with your friends on all your various platforms, comment and like it, and I'll see you next time for our next episode. Bye-bye.